we seen the importance of backlinks, yeah, and we looked at the similar players, how much backlinks they have and all those things, yeah. But when you start the company for the first time, or when you have your website for the first time, it's going to take a lot of effort and time to prepare these backlinks, yeah. So then how do we rank the websites? Okay, again, there are multiple factors. Another important factors are like a tactic, I can say, is trying long tail keywords, okay, comparing with the short tail keywords. Let me share what is long tail keywords and short tail keywords. Okay, you see here, I mean, of course, if you want to read about it, but if you see here, this is I mean, it's a bit of technical term as well, like a B2C, B2B, difference between B2C, B2B, D2C. Okay, this is a sort of like a some sort of like a jargons I try to explain in a more simpler way, and that's why whether you can see here, Trilly.app also is ranking in the first page, and also my personal blog, it's like ranking in the first page for this technical term. So if you see the title, right, the title are long, and if you see the title here, the title is long as well. It's very long. Okay, you can see from the footer, the URL. Yeah, sometimes like SEO tools, they tell that, okay, you need to like your title cannot be bigger than this, because it will not be visible in the Google search. Yes, it will not be visible. As you can see, it's truncated, yeah, but it helps. I mean, you still need to like put up what you're trying to share, right? Just because you cannot like write a long title, that doesn't mean you should not explain the thing, because your goal is that you need to explain what you're trying to explain through the article. It's very long, you see here, right? So these are all called long tail keywords. A short tail keywords, it's something like building a fashion marketplace. Okay, building a fashion marketplace, it's a short-term keyword. Thank God we are also ranking in the second place, but this is something we did it for very long ago. But there are like a lot of other short tail keywords we are not ranking. For example, no code marketplace builders. You see here, these guys are coming in, I'm not sure whether we are coming. We are not coming. We are coming here. It's our SEO, but anyway, but it's not easy for everybody to get it. So the best way, what you can do is that you think about from your business. For example, let's say you're selling olives. Maybe you want people, or maybe will search for like difference between virgin, extra virgin, and all those things. It's a bit of technical, right? You don't know what is this extra virgin, and then the cosmetic olive oil. Maybe you can write about that. Yeah, then after that, what you can do is, for example, see here, so that's a long tail keyword. Yeah, then you'll start to get, even without a lot of domain backlinks, you will be still able, if it's a long tail keyword, if there is nobody's returning about, you'll still able to come in the first or second page. Okay, it's I can't guarantee, but you can. Okay, because just I showed it, it's possible, right? Then you can link to the other short-term keywords you have did. For example, you see here, this I didn't do this on the first day when I launched this article itself. It's after 6 months or something, then we realized, okay, there are people also search about the examples of D2C brands, and maybe we should write about it. So we write about it, whether we get the traffic or not, we link it here. So what people are doing is that they read this and then they go and read this as well. Just because this high authority URL is linking to this page also will start to rank. That's how it's currently happening. Okay, and this is the interlinking concept. So in summary, you can start with the long tail keywords. It's based on the whichever related to your ideal customer profile. Then you can write about short tail keywords. If this is not ranking, you do the interlinking, and you can see how I have done it. And also I can show from this as well. So look at this, the title is big. What's the difference between blah blah blah? And when I go here, I like interlink few things. My marketing technology stack is like blah blah blah. Sometimes it's not always you need to like interlink to your articles only. You can link it to other high authority one as well. For example, I link this to Google. Sometimes I link it to Wikipedia, and sometimes I link it to some academic article if people want to know about a particular topic. and I don't have knowledge about the particular topic, I can do this. I mean, again, this is same like in the normal real life world. You ask somebody, maybe your friend says, hey man, I don't know much about this, can you go and ask this guy? Yeah, that's called interlinking. Okay, so this way as well, you can in your initial start of the SEO stuff, you can start writing your content, and how you can mostly interlinking helps you increase the frequency of people reading your website as well. I mean, you will be reading this, suddenly you will click some other thing. For example, you will click about what was the marketing technology stack, and then you will read about this as well. Yeah. uh, Page is now working. I think it's loading now. But anyway, in summary, that's it. I hope it explains about long tail keywords, short tail keywords, and then the interlinking as well.